It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
What is a mineral? Mineral is a naturally occurring homogeneous substance which has chemical composition and definite atomic structure, which is formed in organic process, like copper. Copper is a common metal throughout in the world. It is used for currency, jewelry, plumbing, and to conduct electricity. It is a soft orange-red metal. The minerals produced in India constitute 1/4 of the world's. Most of the minerals are found in the hard rock areas, especially in Gondwana rocks. India produced about 89 minerals, out of which 52 are non-metallic, 4 fuel minerals, 11 metallic minerals, 22 minor minerals. India happens to be the largest producer of mica blocks in the world. India holds the second rank in case of barite production, third rank coal and lignite production, fourth rank iron ore, fifth rank bauxite and crude steel, seventh rank manganese, and eighth position in case of aluminium production. Geological distribution of minerals. D.R. Khular identifies 6 mineral belts in India. First, northeastern peninsular belt. Second, central belt. Third, southern belt. Fourth, southwestern belt. Fifth, northwestern belt. Sixth, Himalayan belt. First, northeastern peninsular belt. Location: Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Orissa Plateau, covering the state of Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Orissa. Mineral founds: coal, iron ore, manganese, mica, bauxite, copper, kyanite, chromite, beryl, apatite, etc. Khular calls this region the mineral heartland of India. And further studies the state that this region possesses India's 100% kyanite, 93% iron ore, 84% coal, 70% chromite, 70% mica, 50% fire clay, 45% asbestos, 45% china clay, 20% limestone, and 10% manganese. Another, central belt. Location: Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Mineral founds in central belt: manganese, bauxite, uranium, limestone, marble, coal, games, mica, graphite, etc. exist in large quantities, and the net extent of the minerals of the region is yet to be assessed. This is second largest belt of mineral in the country, India. Third, southern belt. Location of southern belt: Karnataka Plateau and Tamil Nadu. Minerals found in southern belt: ferrous minerals and bauxite. Low diversity. Next, southwestern belt. Location: Karnataka and Goa. Minerals found: iron ore, garnet, and clay. Northwestern belt. Location of northwestern belt: Rajasthan and Gujarat along the Aravalli range. Minerals found: non-ferrous minerals, uranium, mica, beryllium, aquamarine, petroleum, gypsum, and emerald. Next one, Himalayan belt. Location of Himalayan belt: Himalaya. Minerals found: coal is found in sub-Himalaya. Minerals found in Himalayan belt: coal is found in sub-Himalaya eastern region. Hydrocarbons are found in Assam and Meghalaya. Natural gas are found in the foothills of Himachal Pradesh. Also, nickel, gold, silver, cobalt, lead, etc. are found in this belt.